Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going back to the basic with super fun and easy recipe, homemade butter using just 2 ingredients, and trust me, once you make your butter at home, you will never want to buy store-bought again. And plus, it's so much fun to do. So let's get started. One quick tip before we start. For the best results, chill your mixing bowl in the freezer for about 10 minutes, okay? This will help the cream thicken faster, okay? Now we'll go ahead to pour in 4 cups of cold heavy cream into my chilled mixing bowl, okay? To that, we'll add in a little bit of salt, just about half teaspoon, okay? Then grab my hand mixer and start mixing on medium speed. And guys, not to worry if you don't have the hand mixer, you can use your blender, okay? Or a stand mixer. I have a video on that on my channel. You can check that one out. At first, it's going to turn into whipped cream, okay? But don't stop, okay? What we are aiming for is butter, okay? So we keep going. So at this point, if you're making homemade ice cream, you can go ahead and add in your condensed milk. But for today, we are making butter, so we'll continue mixing, okay? After about 5 to 10 minutes of mixing, you'll notice that the cream has started to separate into yellow solid, okay, which is the butter, and a milky liquid, which is the buttermilk, okay? That is exactly what we want. So we'll go ahead and continue mixing. Now we'll go ahead to cover it with a plastic wrap just to prevent it from splitting all over, and continue to mix until the batter separates from the milk. Now that we've got our butter and buttermilk separated, we'll carefully strain off the buttermilk into a bowl. And guys, you know me, definitely I'm not going to throw it away, okay? I'm going to use it for a delicious, great recipe. Normally I use it for bread, cookies. You can use it for any recipe which calls for buttermilk, okay? To make sure our butter lasts long, I'm going to go ahead to squeeze out all the buttermilk and then rinse it with cold water very well until the water rounds out clear, okay? So we'll take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your love and support. God bless you. This step helps remove any extra buttermilk from the butter, okay? So please make sure you don't skip this step, okay? Make sure you wash it with cold water repeatedly until the water runs out clear. And also, if you are new here, my name is Joanna. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I share delicious and easy recipes that you are going to love. So kindly like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Now we'll go ahead to shape my butter. But you can also store it in your airtight container, okay, which will last in the fridge for some weeks, okay? But if you're saving it in the freezer, it will last you for more than a year, okay? So whichever way you want it, okay? And that is it, guys. Homemade butter using just 2 ingredients. It's easy, delicious, and you can feel great knowing exactly what is in your butter, okay? So let me know in the comment section if you will try this at home, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun recipes. Thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.